again. Ha. Monster. Oi. Oi, turn it. Come on. Mwah. Kissy. Me kissy. No kissy. No, no, no.
Oh, but jumpy instead.
Just give me a good left hook.
Does she?
Yeah.
Hello, Wally. Look at your noggins. Look at your nubs.
No, that's a fucking dreadlock, but.
We are teaching them slowly but surely not to jump up. It's going really well, as you can see.
Really well.
You're pulling at my trousers, hello sweetheart. So yes, there is the lovely Mama June and Lavender Hill Walter. He responds to Wally. Wally Wonka with his wonky ears.
Wonky ears.
And Sapphire, Saffy. You're a beautiful goat. But yeah, they've grown a lot. Grown a lot. Would it be wonderful if that's how big they got? That was it. Just that.
He's going to say hello.
Hey.
Cheeky, isn't he?